Hey, welcome back guys to the channel. Today it's Friday, and today the specimen I have is a 2007 Ford Focus with 135,000 miles on it. Customer's complaint that he's got poor heat and a check engine light on. And the check engine light is on because of that. That, folks, is a stuck open thermostat. I wanted to show you guys the DTC it had was a P0128. Look at that, I don't even need to turn my light on. That's perfect sunlight for you. You can see this one here is sprung all the way shut, and this one is not. It is stuck open. So the cooling system regulating temperature for closed loop fuel control was not within the range that it is supposed to be. And for various reasons, for emissions and yada yada, the engine needs to be at a certain temp. So I kind of wanted to show you guys where it is. Let's dive in. Whee! Right in there. There's the hole. I can't really get a good focus on it. Sorta. There we go. Got 3 bolts holding it on. You can see I tucked the upper hose kind of right there, and the other outlet going to the degas bottle. I thought I was going to have to take the power steering pump out, or at least out of the way. Yeah, but I didn't have to. I was able to wiggle my hands in there. So I'm going to put the new one in right now. No biggie, sorta, just cramped, but that is a thermostat housing gasket water outlet for a 07 Focus. This is the original one. Let's find the box. I already crumpled it up. So, alright, tell me guys what you think about this one. If anybody's ever done a thermostat on their 4-cylinder Focus. This guy does have an oil leak that I did advise him on. He said he's going to take care of it, but he said he couldn't do the thermostat. So, alright you guys, till next time.